Hi, this video going to be about population genetics, and today's video going to be very easy. Today I prepared for you two multiple choice questions, so you may stop video here, read the questions, choose your answer, and then you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So here is the first question. Which of the following factors is most likely to contribute to gene flow between populations? And here is the 5 answers that you may choose from. Answer A, random mating. Answer B, migration. C, mutation. D, genetic drift. And E, inbreeding. And let me start with the last answer, inbreeding. And inbreeding actually we have when we have isolated population, and population should be small enough for inbreeding to happen, so this cannot contribute to the gene flow between populations, and we have to exclude this answer. So this is not the answer E. And genetic drift is change in allelic frequencies, and this is result of the gene flow and cannot contribute to the gene flow, so we can exclude this answer also. And mutations, they do change allelic frequencies, and new alleles arise due to mutations, but between two populations mutations going to happen about on the same rate, and mutations are rare events and cannot be a source of the gene flow. So we have to exclude this answer also, and we left with answer A, random mating, and B, migration. And random mating actually serve to in idealized populations to stay in the equilibrium, so genetic frequencies wouldn't change from one generation to another one. And assortative mating, of course, would lead to the uneven distribution of alleles and would lead to genetic drift. So we exclude answer A, and what we left with migration. Migration is another way to express gene flow. So gene flow is due to migration between two populations, and this causes genetic drift. So the correct answer would be B. And next question. In the Hardy-Weinberg equation, the term 2pq represents the frequency of the, and once again we have 5 answers to choose from. Answer A, dominant homozygotes. Answer B, recessive homozygotes. And answer C, dominant allele. D, recessive allele. And E, heterozygotes. So in order to answer this question, let me write down the formula itself. So here is the formula. Formula stands for the frequency or balance of the frequencies in the one generation, and here is the formula. Frequency equals to p squared plus 2pq plus q squared. And here in this formula, p squared stands for the homozygous dominant condition or genotype. 2pq stands for the heterozygous condition, and q squared stands for the homozygous recessive. So as you see, 2pq stands for the heterozygote condition. So this would be answer E. And also when we add up all these frequencies, they should equal to 1. So all the alleles P plus all the alleles Q in this formula. When we add up them, they should equal to 1. And P represent dominant allele A, and Q represent recessive allele small a. So as you see, though, there is 3 genotypes: homozygous dominant, heterozygous, and homozygous recessive. This 3 genotype consists of just 2 alleles. One is dominant, another one recessive. So A in this formula represented by P, and A small represented by Q. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Goodbye.